In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to create an ebook. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Notebooklm website. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to notice the layout. Notebooklm is organized around a notebook, with panels that help you collect sources, ask questions, and generate useful outputs. This structure is what makes it so effective for turning research into ebook-ready content. Next, create a fresh workspace by clicking Create New on the dashboard. This new notebook is where all of your material for the ebook will live, including your uploaded sources, your chat conversations, and the notes you save along the way. Starting with a clean notebook also keeps your project organized, especially if you plan to create more than one ebook over time. Now it is time to add your content. In the pop-up window, select the sources you want to use. You can upload PDFs, add YouTube links, or choose files from your drive. As you add them, Notebooklm will populate the source panel on the left. This panel acts like your bookshelf. The quality of your ebook depends heavily on the quality of your sources, so choose materials that are relevant, clear, and trustworthy. With sources in place, move to the chat panel in the center and start analyzing. Type a focus question about your topic, such as asking for key themes, a summary of a section, or important takeaways. Notebooklm will respond with answers that include clickable citations, so you can quickly jump back to the exact source passage. This is helpful for accuracy and for keeping your writing grounded in your references. When you get a response that you want to use later, click Save to Note on that answer. This is a simple way to build an outline, collect draft paragraphs, or store supporting details without having to copy and paste everything immediately. Saving notes as you go will make the final ebook assembly much faster. Finally, use the Studio panel on the right to generate instant outputs. Click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to produce structured content based on your sources. These outputs can help you shape your ebook sections, refine your organization, and quickly create drafts you can expand and polish. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.